Hi, this is Brenda Wicker, and I'm sharing the website that I created for Comm310. It's called Phonics at Home, and it's the goal of the website is to encourage parents to use phonics to teach their children to read. I chose the color scheme using the primary colors just to be evocative of the basics of learning, red, yellow, and blue. But I used a muted color scheme since this is directed at adults, and I added in a muted green. I used padded borders around the images because on the reviews page I'm using those images as a link that you can hover on, and I wanted the border to change, and I'll show that when we get there. Another major design choice that I made was to include big block quotes on the pages that are inspirational and help make the point. This page I wanted to look a little bit like a magazine page, so I've got the double column text. We have here, you can see that the link states changed, and I've got the dark red to show which page you're on. This page, I wanted it to look more like a catalog, so I've got the small square images. The images are a link to that product, and it does change the background color. The heading is also a link to the product page. I've got recommended products, but then when you scroll down, I've got not recommended. So what I did here was I flipped the image to the right side and put it with the red to show it's not recommended. So that's the reviews page, the activities page, just showing a boy enjoying reading. I just have a list of different activities that you can use, and then another inspirational quote. The about page, just some information about me and what my experience is, and another block quote. And then the contact page, showing, again, continuing the same color theme and feel. Something else I want to show you. So difficult things this semester, one of the hardest things was learning how to use Photoshop to code a web page based on the Photoshop document, and then also creating one with layer comps. But coding the website, one of the harder things I did, I wanted this block of text to float up next to the image, and if it ended up being longer than the image, I did not want it to wrap around. And as you can see down here, it does not wrap around. And I figured out how to do that by adding in a overflow property to the class for the paragraph and setting it to something besides auto, and that created a new block formatting context so that it did not wrap around. And that was a really cool thing that I learned while programming this website, and I'll include the link to the article in the YouTube video. I'll include that link so that you can go look that up if you're interested. Anyway, I enjoyed working on this. I learned a lot, and thank you very much.